The 2004 GMC Envoy SLE, powered by a 6-cylinder engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle is well equipped. This GMC features a CD player, keyless entry, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include dual front airbags, fog lights, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include roof rack, power steering, and luxury package. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.